Hi, my name is Adela Esguerra. I am teacher and student. I'm going to talk about my family and describe my house. My family is composed by my husband, my children, and me. My husband is Jose. He is 34 years old. I got two children. A girl, her name is Tanya. And boy, his name is Daniel. Tanya is 6 years old. And Daniel is 8 years old. We live in our own house. It is big, but our house does not have living room and dining room because we have a kindergarten. With a bathroom for children. The kitchen is shared with the kindergarten. We have only one bedroom. We all sleep in two different beds. We have only one bathroom for the family and have only one jar for the clothes. I have 3 pets. They are 2 birds and one the dog.